Hi guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're gonna be making a video. As you also can see, they look like they update RobIox because look, 204 friends. Usually, the max players of friends you can get is only 200 for max friends. But now, I think they updated that. They did update it, but I don't know what. I don't know. I don't know what max, how many friends you can have now. So here's my profile. You can see 204 friends. Here's my creations. I did these were all last year's, and then some of them were this year's. Like this one and this one. This was 2025. This was also 2025. Then the rest of them on top of that is from last year's. Yeah. Okay, I don't want to waste time, so let's get started. I forgot what sign I'm supposed to do. Alright. We're gonna do this siren place, and that siren place, this siren place, and then the other one that's down there, that was 2025. Alright, let's get started. I'll see when you get there. I'll say it when I don't know how to say it again. Okay, this is our first siren. This is a Fred. Forgot to put on pen. Alright, this is a federal. It looks like it's taking me forever. I've been running. Signal. Can't. 2001. S R N E. And I usually do alert. So we're gonna do alert today. Alright, just do an alert. Alright, and I didn't put a table here because it opens even though you don't have the siren key. And then you have the first one is the alert. The second one is the attack. The third one is the fire one, and the fourth one is the growl test. So hold on, let me move again. Sorry, it's so loud. I'll probably put Clover here. Sorry, that's what I'm gonna move on. And it's a direct low sound. When it faces towards you, it's loud, and when it's like not facing you, it's like I don't know. Alright, on the next siren. Now this one is the Now this one's this one's the video I made 2 times now. It's the federal. I'm writing big. Signal. Man, I don't think I could put the L on it. Oh, so close to the A. 2001 130. Oh my! Seriously? Alright. I move. Sorry. This one you have this A S E C computer key. Put it here. I'll make that noise. This one's usually it's more better if you can. Next one. Now this one's the ASC. This that I don't that one, yeah. This one is the ASC siren. This one we didn't do alert, so same thing here, makes a noise. Next siren. I don't know what this type of siren is, but I like this one because, you know. And this one has the flip slider so you can use it. I did try to put flip sliders on the other sirens that we just did, but I don't think I saved it. So I think, cause instead of saving it, I purchased it. So I think I was supposed to save it to RobIox. So I'll try to put I'll try to put okay, I'll try to put flip sliders on those experiences. So I'm gonna use the flip slider. So okay, I'm just making sure. We're gonna be using attack, alright. Alright, slow slide it. Oh, I forgot to do this. Sorry. I'm gonna have to move upstairs. It's super loud. So now I'm gonna do the second test. Alright. Trying. Okay, um, the reason why I like this siren because it goes down very quickly, um, until it stops. So, because because the other sirens don't do the same thing. And I luckily found it on Roblox. On the Roblox studio, I found it on the toolbox. I don't know what kind. I think it's the toolbox. I don't know because it had like 4 options. The one is like you can just get the item from like Roblox Studio, and if the other one are like you have to buy. Yeah, the stuff you gotta get is from like the Roblox item store. And then the ones the recent ones is used when you use it. That's only for like if you don't have that on it from the store. So that's how like I get that. I got it like from the other. But I hope you like this video and don't miss anything.